win a challenge presented by a Mr. Fortunoff to display an act of sewing pride. Since I have no interest in such things, let me present this sample of Rebel Skull. Come here, you. And it's back to your detention cell.
Yes, Lord Vader, I would be quite honored to show the other rebel scum this beautiful fabric. All right, he's watching me, so don't make any sudden movements. Me, personally, very excited to see this fabric. I don't want to show emotion, so you can have all the emotion out there. Who am I kidding? This is new Natalie Latte fabric. Yeah, it is so beautiful. So many bright colors. I'm sorry. So many bright colors and happiness. So this fabric line is called Folk Heart. Get it? Those of us from the Rebellion do still have a sense of humor, and we like a good pun. So, isn't it gorgeous? It is so, so beautiful. I love this. I love this. But I really don't want to end up on the frigate, so I'm gonna show this really fast. And hopefully he'll go away. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. Oh. I think General Leia will need some sort of hair scarf made out of all of these things, especially this one. Isn't it amazing? It's so good. So the next time you're in the market on Jakku, you may find some of this fabric. If you don't happen to be in the market on Jakku, there's always my website. We've got it there too. Isn't that pretty? All right, that's one box.
You're wasting your time. I have a Death Star to test.
Okay. Oh, wait. All right, I can only show this other box, so let's do this fast. Look, this is the folk hearts. Look at the hands and the beautiful art. Love the checkerboard background. Another great blender. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I know we're not supposed to be happy under the Empire's rule, but this makes me happy. All right, I have shown the wares. I will go back to my cell.